Hello everyone. I'd just like to go through a quick tip for many teachers around the country using MyMiniMaths. I've received a number of questions regarding displaying resources on the interactive whiteboards in our classroom so the whole class can actually read the questions on offer. So if I choose a resource at random, so if I go to year 4 as an example and I choose one of the fluency tasks, let's go with the Wednesday, it doesn't matter which one. So, for example, if I'm going to show these questions to my class, this is what I do each day. There's this icon here, okay, which is like a little flag. If you right click on there and click on open in a new tab, it creates a full page view and we can manipulate that. So it's really quite large and it's very easy to see around the classroom. And you can focus on one or two questions if you need to and really have a concentration on those, or you can make them smaller so you can have the full set of questions for everyone to clearly read. I hope that really helps, and please take care and stay safe.